The Costa Maya is more distant than the Riviera Maya, although few people complain about the long drive there. Mahahual has the timeless Caribbean beauty often supposed to reside only in Jimmy Buffett's songs and island tales. Bungalows, beach bars, shrimp cocktails, and relaxing days in the shade are just a few of the attractions. Instantly immerse yourself in the beach lifestyle that we all desire. Mahahual on the Mexican Caribbean's Costa Maya is a cruise ship port of call for southern Quintana Roo's lesser-known Mayan ruins and beaches. Mahahual, also known as Mahahual, used to be little more than a few beaches, palapas, and a Mexican Navy post. The cruise ship business, as well as interested land travelers, have fueled the area's rapid expansion, making Mahahual the next destination to visit. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Mahahual is currently noted for its vibrant seafront, which includes a new beachside Malecon and pedestrian boardwalk. The new tourism zone on the beach road has managed to keep the character of its Mexican, Mayan and Caribbean origins. The town center is modest, but the beaches stretch all the way north to the Shan Khan Biosphere Reserve and all the way south to Xcalak, the final stop before Belize. The Costa Maya is less expensive as a holiday destination than the Riviera Maya, which is located farther north, with Mahahual serving as the tourist center. Mahahual and the nearby Costa Maya have a lot to offer. Between Tulum and Xcalak, the coastal areas are an explorer's dream. Hundreds of fish species nest in unspoiled mangrove estuaries and marshlands close back from the beach. Anglers may enjoy world-class saltwater flats fishing, and migrating birds can feed on these habitats as they fly between the United States and Central and South America.